So we're attempting to open Fortnite right now. This is a part 2 to the first fix, because in the first fix I forgot to mention that when you're at your password screen, type in the version number for the first time, and then when it says you got your password wrong, you type in your proper password, go and retrieve the code, and then you're going to insert the code. You should be all set, good to go. That's what worked for me. So I just wanted to show some proof in the pudding over here. So you can note that it is still currently 9:36 p.m. So now we're getting this new error called network failure when attempting to check service status. I'm gonna type in our email again. We're gonna do the version again. Let me just copy paste this just in case. The version v7.20 open bracket 4727874 close bracket. There we go. Type in your OG password, get the security code. I'm assuming it might be the same, so let's go with 402935. Oh, I guess it wasn't the same one. Probably got a new one. Ah, there we go. It's 668204. Oh god. Alright, let's delete that. Now we're good to go. See that? Beautiful.